Let that shit ride, 88. Let me hear what I had on that video.
Slowed music 727 on top.
I'm a fucking extra. They say when you're in the trap, I don't know how. It's not a hobby, it's a lifestyle. I'm from the bottom, it was lifestyle. Trick from the bottom, it was lifestyle. We picked the mic up for the guns down. I picked the mic up for the guns down. We picked the mic up for the guns down. Just pick the mic up for the guns down. But that don't mean you won't get popped. Cause the youngest where I'm from now, still pull up on your block and you get shot. Just based on the way that you gon' rock. So I just stay all to myself. Cause I used to kick doors, but I do shows now. Pop out as far hoes now. I be on the road now. Sick to say it's home now. Cause I'm from a little dirty town. Niggas, they don't make it out. I'm just tryna make a way so I can get my family out. And they say, well, you learn the trap, I don't know how. It's not a hobby, it's a lifestyle. I'm from the bottom, it was lifestyle. Straight from the bottom, it was lifestyle. Straight from the bottom, it was lifestyle. Straight from the bottom, it was like, okay, you can make it. Just find an occupation and give it dedication, and then go make it make sense. I done seen some snake shit, so I been going ape shit. I'm dodging like the Matrix, that's why my heart been vacant. Sticking to the basics, might dug it out and ace it. Cause it's a bigger picture, nigga, let me paint it for you. I love my fans, just rain.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
I'm praying for you. Or you could pray for me. All this shit I go through, and this ain't no make-believe. Nigga tired of showing up, we giving feast for free. Might raise your feet, cause niggas out here playing with you. They say, well, you in the trap, I don't know how. It's not a hobby, it's a lifestyle. I'm from the bottom, it was lifestyle. Trick from the bottom, it was lifestyle. We picked the mic up for the guns down. I picked the mic up for the guns down.